Hello friends, welcome to the series of tutorial in Excel, and this is the third tutorial in the series of tutorial for mastering Excel shortcuts. And in this tutorial we'll learn few amazing Excel shortcuts for text and number formatting. And this is going to be a long tutorial, but I assure you all that you're going to learn a lot, and all the shortcuts that we are going to discuss today will be helping you in most of the formatting tasks that you'll be going to do in Excel. So let's start. So first I will start with writing down the name of the topic that we are going to discuss today. So the name of the topic will be formatting text and numbers using Excel shortcuts. So the topic for today is formatting text and number using Excel shortcuts, and we are going to discuss 40 even number of shortcuts. And I assure you that you are going to learn a lot, and the way I will be explaining this will be covering up lots of example, so that you can remember the shortcuts not only by the end of this tutorial but also for the long duration of time. As I always mention that learning Excel is easy and fun, but remembering shortcuts is always difficult. So let's start and see, can I help you all in making this like remembering shortcuts easy or not. Okay, so let's start. So the topic is formatting text and number using Excel. So let's start. Let's open the sheet where I have listed down around 40, okay, around 40 shortcuts for Excel, and these all shortcuts are used in text and number formatting. So let's start. Let's quickly wind it up and let's start with the very first shortcut, that is Control 1. Okay, as here you can see that it's written what it does, and you can even reference to the website of Microsoft Excel, that is the official website from Microsoft. You will get to know that what is the use of the different Excel shortcuts from there also. But I will give you an example so that you can understand it in a better way. All right, so Control 1, it is used to open the format cell dialog box. So now what is format cell dialog box? I will explain that first, but before that let me write something here. Like what I will write, that this the best site to learn Excel. That's all right. So now, as it is written in a plain Calibri font, now I want to make it colorful. I want to change the font size. I want to increase the font size. I want to make it italic, bold, underline, whatever, strike through. There are a lot of things we can do with this simple text. So now, as you can see here, there are a lot of things here mentioned in the ribbon of font and text formatting, but it is very difficult to like select each and everything from here. Now going this way and again selecting the text. So what we can do, we can just select the text which we want to edit or format, and here we'll select this one, and we'll just press F1, function key F1. Once we'll press it, I'm sorry, not function key F1, pardon me, I mean control 1. F1 is used to open help. I will press control 1 now and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, a window pops up and that contains all the things that you can do with this text or number or whatever you have written in the cell. So what I will do as of now, to give an example, I will change the font. I will make it as Garamond. This is one of my favorite font, and I will increase the size to, let me increase to 14, or let us increase to 20. And I want it to be double underlined, and I want to change the color to a light green. I will just press OK, and as we all can see, all the things that we have mentioned there has been done, and this is the formatted or changed version of the text using control 1. So control 1 is used to open the format cell dialog box, and it is very useful command and will be useful when you're going to format your table, your data, your charts, or whatever. So whatever you want to format, you can use control 1 and open the format cell dialog box. Now let us learn the second keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl Shift plus F. So what is the use of this shortcut? Or Ctrl Shift plus P, both will work. So what is the use of this shortcut? Let me write something. This is the second example in Excel formatting. All right, let me quickly select it and press Ctrl Shift and F. As you can see, it directly pointed to the font tab inside the format cell dialog box. Okay, so what it means, like, let me close it. When we are going to open the format cell dialog box, we use Control 1, right? As you can see, these are the different options that we have here, and when you will open it for the first time, it will come with an option to edit the number, time, currency, whatever the name format or the number format it will give you that option. But what only we want to work in the font type, like we want to change the font color or whatever, then we can simply press Control Shift and F, and it will directly go to the font menu bar, and here you can change the font to any font whatever you like. Let me put agency with a font size of 9 with no underline and with the color of green. As you can see, it has changed the entire font and as per the requirement, and this is the change format of the font. All right, let's move to the F2. I did discuss this shortcut in the last tutorial, but I felt like I should discuss it again because it comes under text and number formatting shortcuts. So I will quickly discuss it once again, and we'll try to explain it in a better way so that you can remember it for the long duration of time. All right.